So here's the new SerialWing Plus. It has jumpers on board that control the level shifting for 5 and 3.3 volts to the TX and RX. It has a built-in FTDI chip. It has a microcontroller on board, which I use to control the timing for when you're going to upload to the Arduino board. It automatically disconnects the serial lines so it doesn't interfere. And this is just a quick demo. I'm using the 8266 board to communicate back and forth, as well as through a posted web page, and I'll show you that. Okay, so I have it set up right now for 3.3 volt communication. Everything's powered up. You can see, if I slide this over, I have the two USBs. One's for the Arduino, one's for my SerialWing Plus for the FTDI chip. And what I'll show you here is I have two instances of the Arduino IDE. One is through COM4 to the Arduino. The other one is COM22 going through the FTDI chip. And these are just some small pieces of software I'm using to demonstrate. So what I'll do first is I can show you. Get my phone in the picture here. So this is going through the web page. So if I turn the LED on, you can see the LED's on. Turn it off, as well as you can see it communicate on the Arduino saying, hey, this told me it's on, this told me it's off. But I also have a button here, so if I hit this, this is now the Arduino telling the 8266 to turn on the LED. If I let go, it tells it to turn off. And it's showing that information on the serial monitor. So what I can do is click this button, which now disconnects the serial communication between the Arduino and the 8266. So now if I do this stuff, you look in the other window, that is serial monitor working with just the ESP8266. So if I want to upload something now, it's very easy. I've hit this button, it's disconnected. Say I want to change this to, I don't know, but whatever. Hello, the LED is on. Now I don't have buttons hooked up here. I just got to put the I/O to ground, hit the reset, and I'm ready to program. So now I'll upload this sketch to the 8266, which will go through the FTDI built in on the board. Give it a moment here. And what this is doing is just trying to give as much of a hands-free, seamless integration. Less wires everywhere, less pulling plugs. You can see we're 50%. And almost there. So now you'll see, when I reset it, it will start the server again, connecting. Now if I turn the LED off, you didn't change that one. If I turn it back on, it says hello. So there you can see, trying to do this all in real time. As well, I'll just turn that off. So I reestablish communication, turn it on, it's still working with the Arduino now, saying the ESP has said the LED is on or off, and I can still go both ways. Arduino says turn on, it says okay, I'm on. Arduino says off, okay, I'm off. So now the cool thing I like about this is I want to upload a new sketch to the Arduino. So here ESP says that LED is on. I'll change this to say at the end, Yahoo! Throw some more O's. Alright, simple thing. Click upload. You'll see the microcontroller I programmed on here will automatically detect the upload, turn off communication, wait for the upload to finish, and then reestablish communication. That's all indicated with the red and green LED. So we're done. So now If I go turn on, now it says Yahoo! Perfect. Everything's working. Now there is, if you are gonna, this pin header here is offset. You'll see that in the pictures I'll put in this video. I do have this other board that I've made up, which will sit along here, and that just offsets pin headers so you can continually stack different shields for different sensors. Yeah, and that's about it. It works really well. Like I say, it's hands-free. Yeah, and I'll post a video as well with my favorite, the Nexon screens, and how it works fantastically with those. Thanks for watching.